Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ponter's Choice. Today being 21st day of May 2022. I'm making this video around 19:30, that is 7:30 p.m. I want to share with you guys how this BetZero of a thing is possible and how it has helped me and how it will also benefit you. I will be doing this just a kind of demo so that we guys will just get to know how possible this is. Then if you want the ready, you can check the description box below to hang up with me. Please also share your views, your comment. This comment box is open for everyone. Thank you guys. Please do like and subscribe. We'll start our trading in the next draw and we'll go for 5 times with 132,850 naira. We'll roll over everything till the 5th time. Thank you guys for coming by. Let's get back to the business. And this is our first bet for today. As you can see, we play 21 not to come in this draw. As you can see, we won our first bet. We are proceeding to the second. In this particular draw, as you can see, we'll play 22 not to come in the next draw. And we've won our second game. We are proceeding to the third game for today.
Just say the word, or don't, and you maintain your innocence, and I will do it anyway. Nonsense. They're taking her in gracefully and just get her out.
We'll miss this particular draw.
Firstly, trust me, but you full work out in my favor. Penny, the power of the rules play. We truly believe she will deserve to learn. Mark. I can't marry you. How's she ever been on cocaine? I'm so big you don't take out a bait and confess, you know? How could you marry a woman so beneath you? You son Smith, you're on 63rd line to the British throne. I know. That was all I have left.
Okay guys, we played 13 not to come and we are very certain that this particular number will not come in the next draw.
Oh, peanut butter cutout. Now listen here. We're gonna get married. We're gonna fly home to Fort Worth. I'm gonna introduce you to my golf
What's the
buddy.
meaning of that?
You might represent it. You will be by my side.
Are you okay?
Beautiful. Besides, you're not gonna break my heart.
Babe.
I'm helpless against your fruit-tainted tents. Anything you want to worry about how that affects you, maybe? like this in any climate, darling. And Hortense loves sweaty heat. Hortense? My sister, didn't I tell you about her? I couldn't possibly leave her behind. Are you telling me I'm gonna go home with 2 princesses on my own?
Okay, and this is our 5th game. We play 3 not to come, and we are certain that 3 will not come.
My sweet sister. I haven't announced Her Majesty Hortense possessors. There are no private features on the coat as yours. But you put up one side that says toxic waste, and voila! Granny was so clever.
Sister, isn't it?
Yes, in a cozy castle keep. This way. Your attendance is up to date, yes? Everyone has a she prefers, but not Hortense Cindy.
And this will be our last game for today. We'll play 22 not to come, and we are certain 22 will not come. Please guys, should like, subscribe, comment Bet9ja on the comment section so that this video can go viral. Thank you guys. See you the next day. Subscribe. Ha.